So welcome you all to my channel SSC Smart Classes. Hope you are doing great. Today's video we're gonna talk about on the registration process of the COVID-19 vaccination program. First of all, you have to visit the website whose link is given in the description box. Once you open the website, then you have to enter your phone number. Once you enter your phone number, then OTP is generated and you have to fill that OTP one-time password, and then you have to enter your pin code of your particular area. It shows the number of availability of different kind of vaccine available on that particular slot on different dates. Be sure that should be in green, yellow or orange and have some number displayed on it, and it should not be in red color, because most of the people do this type of mistake. They think that it is red in color and their booking is confirmed, but it's not that case. Be sure that it should be in green, red, orange and number displayed on it. Once you have find that particular slot which is in green in color, yellow or orange in color, you have to just click on it and then confirm your booking. After confirmation, it will be look like this. It is a KBC process because the number of vaccine on that particular date is limited and people oftenly stick to that particular website, so you have to keep checking those website once time to time in a day. Now come to our question, that why does the vaccination cause fever and what is the process of the vaccination is actually we are talking about. So let's get talk about it. There is a fever when vaccinated. This means that the vaccine that we have felt is effective, that is the immune system of the body has started its work. Why does the vaccine cause fever? Before we know that what a vaccine and how it is produced. The vaccine contains some protein and virus that are dead, that is inactive bacteria. Those are inserted into the human body. When these are dead or dormant viruses enter the body immune system feels that a disease or virus has occurred on the body. This system of body then prepares antibodies, that is the army that protects the body to fight against the element inactive bacteria, protein and the virus transported in the body via the vaccine. Once this antibody is made in the body, whenever any such type of active virus enters the body, then this antibody gets ready to fight against that active virus. In this way our body gets protected from that virus or disease. The same applies to COVID-19 vaccine. Due to the COVID-19 vaccine, our body produces antibodies against the coronavirus, and whenever the coronavirus enters the body gets ready to fight against this virus, and we are saved from the severe grip of the COVID-19. Study shows that the person is not seriously infected after the COVID-19 vaccine, and his or her chances of death are greatly reduced if it gets cured soon after getting a general treatment. So our question is, why does the vaccine cause fever? As mentioned in the video, the vaccine that is inactive bacteria, protein or virus transported into the body. When a body feels that a virus has been infected, then the body then prepares antibodies, immune forces to fight it, and the antibodies it produces imposed on it, due to which the temperature of the body increases. But after some time, these antibodies are made to know that there is no harm to the body anymore, and the body temperature, fever is gradually reduced and completely comes down. After these antibodies that are prepared in the body, it lasts forever. And whenever a similar active virus invades the body, then these antibodies readily engulf the virus and our body survive the disease. This means that whenever the person gets vaccinated and gets a fever, then it should be understood that the vaccine has infected our body, and the immune system of the body is preparing its immune army against it, and this is a positive side for a person. Therefore, when there is a fever due to the vaccine, we do not need to be panicked. Presently, it is necessary to apply vaccine to all the community for protection from the COVID-19 pandemic, so that we can be protected from the pandemic whenever the body gets infected with such a virus. So hope you like this video, and if you like this video, then please do subscribe, like, share, subscribe my channel, and please for more such videos stay tuned to my channel and subscribe. Dhanyawad.